Oh my god, this is crazy. Welcome home. This is where we're sleeping today. Oh my god, there's a snake, there's a snake. And good day from Koh Muk, Thailand. We have now been traveling for 1.5 months, and I think it is safe to say that today is going to be one of the most stupid days of traveling on this trip. And that was a perfect introduction for a day like yesterday. Okay, so basically yesterday we planned a trip to the Emerald Cave, which if you don't know what it is, it's an awesome cave here in Thailand with an awesome beach in it. It's so sick. And the only way to get there is by boat and through these sick pitch dark caves. It's so cool. But basically it's a popular tourist attraction here in Thailand. We do not like those words, tourist attraction, just ruins the place. So we decided to make it more interesting. That is why we are gonna sleep there. And to make it even more idiotic, we have actually booked us in this bungalow thing today. So we've paid to stay at a hotel or a bungalow, but we choose to sleep outside in a cave. Plus, I don't know if you can see it, but it is currently raining too, which makes it an even better experience. Okay, give up, this guy's an idiot. And the adventure has finally started. We have packed our bags and we have left the beach, left the bungalow, and we are on the way to this cave. And as you can see, the sun is about to go down, like approximately an hour. So we have to get there fast, set up camp, because once we were in there, it's gonna be pitch dark. And it's gonna be very hard to get out if we want to get out. What could possibly go wrong, bro? Yeah, bro. Okay, but let's start this adventure and let's go. Hey, we made it to the cave. That is our doorway in. It's in. This is our hotel. There, holy crap. Look at this. Now we're saying goodbye to the world. This is our gateway in. Look at this. Goodbye, sunshine. We will see you tomorrow. Okay, we kind of lost already. We don't know the way in. Oh my god, this is so sketchy. This is scary. Okay, we're already lost on our excursion. We have no clue where we are. Holy. Oh my god. Okay, we are lost. Definitely lost. It's here. Oh! Oh, we found it, Nick! Woo! Oh my god. Zebra. Holy. What? Wow. That was sick. Holy. Oh my god, this is crazy. Holy god. Look at this place. Look. Oh my god. We are totally alone here. We came from that hole. So to get to the ocean, you have to go through those caves. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is our home for tonight. I think this is a pretty luxury hotel. I mean, look at this. That's gonna sound so scary when it is pitch black here at 2 a.m. Okay, now it's where the stupidity comes in. Okay, so in the cave, there's no GPS signal, no telephone signal, anything. So once you're in there, you're kind of blocked from the world. So we actually went out of the cave again to film with the drone because we needed to show how sick this place is and we get some cool footage of it. This is gonna be sketchy. Yeah. Ah. Oh, that's scary. Running late on light. I mean, the sun was going down. Okay, we got the drone, and as you can see, that is our last daylight. We are not going to see daylight until tomorrow. Now, we can't see anything now. Holy! Goodbye, daylight. Goodbye. We are going in the cave for the night. Holy. Can't see shit. Ah. Cool. Oh my god, there's a snake, there's a snake. Water snake. Okay, get the mechanics. Oh, nice all shot. Huh? Snake? Cool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's huge, can you see? Okay, get the man to thing off. And it's not that it's scary to see a snake. We're used to snakes. We swam with snakes, snorkeled with snakes, seen snakes everywhere. But it's not that. It's when you're in a pitch dark cave. You can't see 1 meter in front of you, and the plan is to sleep there. And the first thing you see in the dark is a snake. But that was okay. We just paddled through, got to the beach, and when we got there, it was completely dark. Not gonna lie, I am pretty scared now. This is scary. Okay, look at this. Now I'm gonna take off the light. Can you see anything? Can't see shit. Oh, and by the way, we do not have a tent to sleep in or any shelter whatsoever. So it is open air today with all the creatures. This is gonna be awesome. No, but seriously, we have to find some means of shelter, because this, I mean, look at this. It is totally dark. It's pitch dark. We can't see anything. And it's raining. Sick experience, bro. Okay, so Jacob came up with this genius plan that we have these 4 oars, and we do not want to be exposed to all these creatures and snakes and stuff. So we have a net with us, and we are going to try to dig these in and set up a net somehow. We tried to rig up these nets with poles and stuff. It was kind of stupid. We're not that good at this. Look at this genius plan. And in this dark cave, it's like you're hearing all these small noises all the time. And I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning when we got in that cave, when it was pitch dark and we were hearing noises, we're like, okay, let's go. This is terrible. But then we're like, okay, you get used to the noises, it happens all the time. And then Jacob sees a snake on land right beside where we're tenting, and that's when Jacob and Nelly decided to go back. Nei, gutta, pass på. Skrik hvis det er noe. Sånn, bare skrik. Safe travel, snaggis. Snaggis. Okay, to it's me and you. Okay, so Jacob and Nelly have headed home in this pitch dark. It was a bit sketchy too. So it's only me and Tove now. It is pouring right now. We haven't found shelter, but we're trying. I mean, look at this. We have put a canoe up, then the oars to make a roof. So sick. Genius plan. Hvordan går det?
Welcome to the crib.
Welcome to the... Thanks, bro. Oh shit, this is awesome. Okay. Nice. Oh god.
This is nice.
This is comfy. This is great. At this point, it was raining. There was sounds coming from everywhere. I mean, we were hearing snake noises like in pitch dark, and we were trying to rig up this canoe shelter, and it was terrible. We were hearing all these noises like breaking branches, and it was probably just monkeys, but like when it's pitch dark and you can't see anything, noises are pretty scary when you're in a cave. And we were hearing these echoes from the cave. Just imagine this. Look, this is in daytime. That is us down there. Okay, looks like me and Tove's genius plan of the canoe tent. It's not gonna work. So we're gonna try to rig up a hammock in the trees. But it's so creepy, and it's raining, and it's totally dark, and there's like these little sounds all the time, and it's echoed in here because it's a cave. Sketchy. And then me and Tove were just sitting there, and we're like, And then something happened that I've never been that scared in my entire life. All these waves were crashing in the cave and making these echoes. We were used to those noises. But then there was like an abnormal, like, in the water, like something was swimming in it. And then we're like, okay, that's probably just a wave. But right after that, you just hear this growling, like, roar. Me and Tove are hearing some noises over there. Fy faen. Oh my god. Kada. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's something here. Oh my god. There's something here. There's something here. Yeah, mistake. Like an immense growl echoed in the cave and just came right at us. We're like, me and Toof just stood totally still. We gotta go. We gotta go. Did you hear that? I'm like, Toof's like starting to pack up his hammock. I'm like, dude, just forget the hammocks and stuff. We're going. What was that? There's an animal there. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, we are going as fast as we can into that dark cave. This is gonna be so scary. Oh god. This is, oh god. Oh my god. Problem was, the growling was coming from the cave. The only way to get out is the cave. Shit. Oh god. Ah, sorry. We just gotta get out of here. Huh. Okay, that's the way out. That's the way out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It could have been just a small animal that was growling, but it's coming from a cave, echoed cave, and we're in a trapped cave where the only way to get out is through that cave, and it is pitch dark, you can't see anything, and you're in a foreign country, and like no GPS signal, nothing. Kinda scary, not gonna lie, I was really scared there. Okay, and we are out of the cave. We're officially out. We can't see anything. This is just open ocean, and we have no clue where we are. We were like paddling in the middle of the night. It was pitch dark. Just open ocean here. Hey, look at this. Can you see anything? Then it just got even better. Oh my god. Soda, did you see that? Oh god, we really gotta get home. Not smart. It just started lightning and we were in the open ocean right here. This is the most stupidest thing we've ever done. Lightning and thunder, and we are in the middle of the ocean on a little plastic kayak. That's not the smartest, not to recommend. There's our safe zone. Let's go. God, this has been a scary day. Okay, we have made it to the mainland, guys. Holy God, that was scary. That was scary. But even though that it was one of the scariest things in my life, it was super fun experience, me and Toof. But we really wish we could have stayed there the whole night. But those hours we were there, it was really fun, an awesome experience. But we really tried to sleep there. Me and Toof really wanted to sleep there. It was raining, I mean, we heard noises, we didn't have a tent, but we tried, but it was too scary. I'm gonna admit it was way too scary. With that said, if you like that and want to follow us to do more like dumb crap like that, but hopefully succeed, then hit the subscribe button, because we'll be posting several times a week when we're down here. And I'll see you in the next video.